Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SK Studies. Welcome again to the topic is physiology of heart and subject is anatomy and physiology of heart. Anatomy and physiology subject, and we are discussing about the topic of anatomy and physiology of heart. Friends, आपने मेरे पिछले वीडियो में मैंने आपको समझाया था कि हार्ट की एनाटॉमी स्ट्रक्चरल पोजीशन क्या है हमारी बॉडी में, एंड आज हम समझने जा रहे हैं उसकी फिजियोलॉजी क्या है. फिजियोलॉजी मीन्स टू वर्क, हाउ हार्ट इज वर्क. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ डायग्राम मैं आपको समझाऊंगी कि हार्ट वर्क कैसे करता है, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि हार्ट का मेन फंक्शन है ब्लड को पंप करना. ब्लड इज पम्प्ड बाय द हार्ट. It pump the deoxygenated and oxygenated blood to the body, in which two circulation are important. First one is the systemic circulation and second one is the pulmonary circulation. So both the circulations are the physiology, including physiology of the heart. So with the help of the diagram I am discussing about this with you friends. So let's discuss about this. So here is a roughly diagram of the heart, friend. You can see एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन जो मैंने आपको पिछले वीडियो में दिखाया, आप उससे भी कोलैबोरेट कर सकते हैं. बट here is the right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. This is the fourth chamber of the heart, and this one is the tricuspid valve of heart, and this one is the bicuspid valves of the heart, and this is the pulmonary artery, and these are the pulmonary veins. And this is superior and inferior vena cava. Here is inferior vena cava. So from the superior and inferior vena cava, the deoxygenated blood of the rest of the body is comes in this right atrium. This is the one-way path of the heart circulation. Please friend, try to understand. This is the one-way path, and deoxygenated blood from superior and inferior vena cava, blood collect from the rest of the body and it pumps into this right atrium, and from the right atrium through the tricuspid valve of the heart, the whole deoxygenated blood goes to the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, the deoxygenated blood goes to the right and left pulmonary artery. This is the only artery which contains deoxygenated blood, and from the left and right pulmonary artery, blood goes to the lungs, where the deoxygenated blood convert into the oxygenated blood, because of the lungs inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. So the पल्मोनरी सर्कुलेशन में क्या होता है फ्रेंड, ये जो डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है वो पल्मोनरी आर्टरी के थ्रू लंग्स में जाता है और वहाँ जाकर के ऑक्सीजन गेन करके ये डीऑक्सीजनेटेड से ऑक्सीजनेटेड में कन्वर्ट होता है, एंड देन फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट एंड राइट पल्मोनरी वेन it comes into the left atrium. So pulmonary vein is the only vein which contains the oxygenated blood only in the body. So from the left atrium, the blood is pumped into the left ventricle through the bicuspid valve. Blood pumps into the left ventricle, and from the left ventricle blood goes to the aorta. This is the arc of aorta, this one. So from the aorta, blood is goes to the rest of the body, and branches of the aorta which goes into the carotid artery, brachial artery, pulmonary, sorry, carotid artery, and all over the arteries of the body. So this blood is oxygenated. This blood is oxygenated, which is approximately 70 ml of blood is pumped into the aorta through the left ventricle. So here is all about the circulation and physiology of the heart. So physiology of heart is pumping of the blood into the body, which contains two type of circulation. It is the pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. Systemic circulation is the circulation which is circulation of blood in rest of the body, where is deoxygenated and oxygenated also. So this is the pericardium, and this is this is the innermost is the endocardium, and outermost is the pericardium, and in between this is the myocardium. These are the three layers of the heart, and which is helpful for pumping of the blood in all over the body. So guys, here is some points to learn to you. First point is one-way path of the blood circulation. This is blood, short form. Number second, deoxygenated blood. Comes into right atrium from superior and inferior vena cava. These are the largest vein of the body. From the right atrium, blood pumped into the right ventricle. Through right ventricle, it goes into the pulmonary artery, and through pulmonary artery, it goes into the lungs, where deoxygenated blood convert into oxygenated blood, and through lungs the blood is goes to left atrium through pulmonary vein, and left atrium to left ventricle, and left ventricle to aorta, and here rest of the body. This is circulation of blood. So friends, here are some points to learn. So it is all about the physiology of heart. Physiology of heart says that blood is pumped by the heart with the help of the cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscles are the structural muscles which is covered by the three layers: First one is the pericardium, second one is the myocardium, and third one is the endocardium, and this is the cardiac layers. So through the help of the cardiac layers, blood is pumped and one-way path of the blood circulation, in which two type of circulation is involved. First one is the pulmonary circulation, which is involving the deoxygenated blood is converted into the oxygenated blood through the lungs, through the help of the lungs, and it is occurred with the help of the pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. And second one is the systemic circulation, which is done by the aorta and branches of the aorta, which contain oxygenated blood, which goes to the all over the body through the oxygenated blood, and it lastly collect through the superior and inferior vena cava. You already know about the blood circulation is done by the blood vessels, aorta, arteries, arterioles, venules, veins, and vena cava. So here is the some terminologies. I will tell you about this arteries and arterioles, venules, veins, and vena cavas in next video, friend. So till then you can learn this points and this cycle of the point. I will add these pictures in our video. So thanks for watching.
फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारी न्यू वीडियोस टाइम टू टाइम मिलती रहें।